Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the backup you will use and preparing the device. Check that the iCloud or encrypted iTunes backup exists and note its date. This ensures you restore the correct snapshot. Plug the new iPhone into power and join a reliable Wi-Fi network so the download won't pause. Sign into your Apple ID when prompted. If two-factor appears, have your trusted device or number ready. Once done, choose Restore from iCloud Backup or Connect to Finder/iTunes to continue. Now you perform the core restore. On iCloud, pick the backup by date. On Finder or iTunes, select the encrypted backup to include passwords and health data. The phone will show a progress bar while system data restores first and apps download afterward. Make sure you remain on the restore screen, keep Wi-Fi stable, and keep the device charging. Interruptions slow or corrupt the process. You can check remaining app downloads later in settings, but let the system finish the base restore fully before interacting. Complete the restore by signing into your accounts and reauthorizing services like mail and banking apps. Passwords may prompt if you didn't use an encrypted backup. Once apps finish downloading, confirm photos, contacts, and settings are present. If an app or download stalls, reboot the iPhone, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and allow the queue to resume. This fixes most hiccups. As a key troubleshooting tip, if iCloud Restore fails repeatedly, connect the phone to your computer and restore from the encrypted iTunes/Finder backup instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.